This is probably the better address for tax questions than I am. Other than that, just my regular thoughts on tax. I see a lot of people having or focusing a lot on taxes. I even heard some people interested in us, they would say, I don't want to make a profit by investing, because if I make a profit, I will be taxed. That's a very, very interesting way of thinking. From a financial perspective, don't focus too much on tax. Whenever you have to pay tax, it's good. I know it hurts, but it's good because you first of all made a profit. So focus on making a profit, focus on making the right profit, and then you will be taxed after that. But don't focus too much on taxes, and don't make investment decisions based on the way your investments are taxed.